Hey, hello guys, Charlie here from E.C.D, the lead tech on drivetrain, and today we are going to be talking about benefits of having a track car engine into a Defender. Talking about the benefits of having the LT4 installed on your Defender. First thing, power. On a base LS3 you got 430 horsepower. On the LT4 we are talking about over 600 horsepower. It's gonna take you anywhere and faster. So you gotta have the power and the speed of this combined with the ability and the 4x4 capabilities of the Defender. And besides that, it's the same package size of the LS3, so you don't compromise in anything else. You don't compromise on weight. You're still having the same lightweight vehicle, or fairly lightweight vehicle with a lot of power. So guys, here we got a 2020 Camaro ZL1 LT4 power. Power 660 horsepower, 650 foot-pound of torque, 8-speed transmission, automatic transmission. It's basically a race car on a street package. Big brakes, suspension, everything. What we did, we tried to transfer all that into your Defender. So now guys, here we got LT4, 660 horsepower, 650 foot-pound of torque, 8-speed automatic transmission, still 4x4 vehicle. We transplant the LT4 out of the Camaro into a Defender. So then with the swap of the LT4 into the Defender, we are able to give you the power and abilities of the race car into an off-road vehicle. You can go to the beach, do off-roading, but still got the power of a race car into your Defender doing an LT4 swap on.